This video will talk about 5 reasons to learn future skills. We'll take this video from an optimistic point of view. We'll see what are the positives of future skills, how future skills can help us do better and improve our life with all the technology and artificial intelligence coming in. And we'll also see 5 reasons how future skills and learning future skills can help us. In case you don't know, my name is Ashish Gupta. I'm author of the book Introduction to Future Skills. And now let's see what's going to happen. One thing is that the change that is expected. So while it is true that the pace of technological change is accelerating and going very fast, but it is important to note that not all jobs will be replaced by machines, and at least not all jobs will be replaced overnight. So in case you have any fear that what is going to happen, suddenly you will not get a job or your job will disappear and everything. No, all the advancement are slowly and gradually, it will take few years. So in case even if you think you don't know enough, you have few years to learn sufficient and improve with time. Second is rather we'll see a shift in type of jobs and the skills required to perform them. We'll talk about the multi skills that are required in next few slides. But what is going to happen is, if you see, as I said, in my future videos also, you see from 1950s to today, in last 70, 80 years, we are seeing technology continuously growing. In 50s, 60s, we could have imagined the computers, the coding was started, few things about computers were known, and then slowly and gradually, every decade, every 5 years, we saw new technology coming in. And today, we are seeing the artificial intelligence, which is properly developed and delivering results. So next few years will cause big disruption, but of course, the type of jobs will change and it will also change what are the skills that are required for them. So you need to cope up with that. Now, as I said that what skills, let's see what will be the skills in demand. So as technology becomes more advanced, we are likely to see more jobs that involve working with or creating new technologies. So there are two ways you will require new skills. One is in terms of technology, and second is in terms of human skills. So, for example, jobs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation will become more prevalent. Additionally, there will be increased demand for jobs that require skills that are uniquely human, like creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, empathy, and all of these. Don't worry about anything in all our future videos. We are going to cover each one of these skills in detail. So just stay tuned in this playlist and you'll see all the videos on these skills, be it technical skills or the non-technical human skills both. Next is multi-skills word. Now, one thing that is certainly going to change in the future is this is going to be a multi-skills word. Okay, you must have seen 50, 60, 70 years back, people had only one skill and they could spend their entire life on that skill. Somebody was a cashier, they joined as a cashier and retired as a cashier, right? Somebody was a typewriter. They joined, started their life as a typewriter and probably ended their life with the same skills. Then gradually we got into professions and people started doing the undergraduate and postgraduate, again, one specialization. But slowly and gradually we are entering into the multi-skills world or what we call multidisciplinary education. In this, one skill will not be sufficient and you will require multiple skills to cope up. Right. In order to prepare for the future of work, it is important for individuals to focus on developing skills that are adaptable and transferable across different industries and roles, right? So you must have the skills that are not specific to one I'm not saying it cannot be in one industry, but if you have skills that can be applied in multiple industries, you have that advantage. Now, this may include developing a strong foundation in STEM field as well as developing soft skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving. So as in last slide also I told that it's all about a balance of technical and non-technical skills that going to work. Now, next and before we go to 5 reasons, this is one very important thing for you to understand. That is, be optimistic. Ultimately, while the future of work may look very different from the present, It's important to approach these changes with a sense of optimism and a willingness to learn and adapt. By doing so, we can ensure that we are well equipped to thrive in the new world of work that's on the horizon. So just be positive, keep learning, keep growing, and then you'll see you fit in whatever changes comes. Now, next is let's see 5 reasons to learn future skills. So we'll see one by one what are the reasons that you should learn future skills. Number one is adapting to technological advancement. See, there's no denial in this that technology is rapidly changing. Every day you see new tools coming in. A lot of new artificial intelligence tools are coming in, and they are help for you as well as threat for you. If you do not learn or adapt with them, then in future somebody who knows that might become a threat for your job or your work. So technology is rapidly changing in the way we work, communicate, and live our lives. Future skills are necessary to keep up with these advancements and to ensure that we remain relevant in an increasingly digital world. Second is meeting the demands of the job market. The job market is constantly evolving, and the skills that were in demand in the past may no longer be relevant. So future skills are necessary to meet up the demands of the job market and to secure employment in the future. Next is improving employability. So future skills are essential, of course, to improve employability and staying competitive in the job world. By developing these skills, individual can demonstrate their ability to adapt to changing circumstances, learning new technology, and work collaboratively with others. So, of course, with future skills, it will improve your chances of getting a good job with the technology that you are adapted with. Enhancing productivity. So, future skills are not only beneficial for individual career growth, but also for productivity of organizations. So, teams that possess future skills can work more efficiently and effectively, leading to improved business outcomes. So, future skills will certainly improve your productivity. And number five, contributing to society. Future skills are not only necessary for personal and organizational growth success, but also for greater good of society. As we face complex societal challenges such as climate change and inequality, future skills can help individuals and organizations develop innovative solutions to these problems. So then you can not just increase your chances of employability, do not just improve your skills, you do not just increase your productivity, but you can also contribute to society. So these are some of the reasons why you must learn future skills. So, in summary, future skills are essential for adapting to technological advancement, meeting the demands of the job market, improving employability, enhancing productivity, and contributing to society. So, these are some of the reasons why you must learn future skills. So, in future videos, we'll talk about evolution of jobs, we'll talk about the industrial revolution, we'll talk about the changes, we'll talk about the importance of soft skills, and one by one, we'll talk about all the important future skills that are required for you. So in next probably 15, 20, 25 days, you'll see a lot of videos coming in on future skills that would really be important and helpful for you to grow a better career and to cope up with the technological disruption. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you comment to let me know your thoughts about future skills and share with your friends. Thank you.